Imagine living in a world you're not able to hear your loved one's voice, child's laughter, and the sounds near you. This is a daily reality for those who are not able to hear, especially those with severe to profound hearing loss. Hearing is essential for communication and as well as to maintain relationships, also to enjoy life. Now, when somebody is not able to hear well, they tend to get disconnected from the world and they get isolated eventually. Most of the people with severe to profound hearing loss are using hearing aids or advised hearing aids, but at certain point the hearing aids also do not help them or may not be adequate. This is where cochlear implant devices come into play. Cochlear implants are actually devices which are surgically placed inside the ear, and these devices bypasses the area of the inner ear which is affected, directly stimulating the hearing nerve and sending signals to the brain. These implants are used in children as well as in adults who are diagnosed with severe to profound hearing loss following a surgical procedure. For children with profound hearing loss, cochlear implant enables them to develop speech and language skills, communicate effectively with others, and succeed in schools. And for adults who are also having the severe hearing loss, cochlear implants can help them to restore confidence and communicate effectively with others and be with the crowd. Cochlear implant is more than a device. It is an opportunity to hear, communicate, and participate in life. So if there is anyone who is having hearing loss, not getting benefit from hearing aids, there is a solution, which is cochlear implantation. Thank you.